Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw something super colorful and beautiful. A rainbow with spring flowers.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw 2 fluffy clouds. Make them look soft and puffy. Great job! Now let's draw lots of flowers behind the clouds. Draw big flowers and small flowers too. Fill the space with many cute flowers. Amazing! Now draw some leaves around the flowers. This will make our drawing look like a beautiful spring garden. Now do the same things again for the other part. Draw big and small flowers.
La da 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 dee.
Also draw the leaves. Wonderful! Now it's time for the rainbow. Draw 7 curved lines behind everything. Keep going until all 7 lines are done. Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our rainbow with spring flowers drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Wow, it is looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color our drawing. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Ready? Let's color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Beautiful coloring, everyone. Your rainbow with spring flowers looks amazing. Thank you for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub today. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep having fun.
Yay!
See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye, little artists.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.